Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up parental controls on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. So we're gonna unlock the phone. Now we're gonna go to the settings, and here in the settings, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and scroll down until we see digital well-being and parental controls. Now what you guys want to do is go over and set up everything here. We're gonna go over and here we can set up the bedtime mode from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. We can add it, and of course we want to make sure to allow the sensor data. Here you can customize the settings for the bedtime. As you guys can see, like allow notifications. Of course, I'm not going to enable it because, for example, you want your kid to have a good sleep and not read notifications all night. We're gonna go over here and we can go back to the focus. We can go over and select the distracting apps. As you guys can see, we got it right here. Now we can add, let's say, more apps that might be harmful for the kid, and now they are added. So as you guys can see, we got everything right here. Of course, we can go over and do the screen time reminder, and of course we got the manage notifications. We can simply sort them by the time received or by the, let me show you, by the number, and apps that can show notifications or apps that cannot show it. So apps that can show notifications, we're gonna disable it, and as you guys can see, we are disabling notifications for almost every single app. And of course we got the heads up here, so if you're walking while using your device, get a reminder to focus on what's around you. So this is for your kid, so make sure that this is enabled. And of course the location, so while using the app and make sure that it's precise, we're gonna go and allow it all the time. Now as you guys can see, heads up is ready to go and every permission is here. You guys can also show the icon in the app list, and here we got the parental controls. So as you guys can see, we got the family link loading up right now, and here's the Alex, of course, app approvals and restrictions for parents, children and teens, and much more. So here you guys can change the parental controls for your kids. As you guys can see, it's for 3 children or teens in your family group, and you guys can also set up parental controls for another child. But you need to download the extra app right here, and it won't open in the browser just like it did right here. So as you guys can see, we are going to go and select it. Now we got everything right there, so we're gonna click allow, and as you guys can see, we can easily change it. So apps and games, for example, Peggy 7, and books restricted, of course films G, and let's actually change the apps and the games to free. And of course require approval for all content, and that's how you guys can easily set up the parental controls. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.